Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I order stuff from Amazon that I want us to unbox. I order ink cartridges. This is Canon printer. This is Canon PIXMA MG3650. So I ordered the ink cartridges from amazon.co.uk here. So what we want to do is to show you how to replace the ink, okay? And just gonna open this up. This printer is using ink 540 and 541. Okay, 541 is color and 540 is black. Now what we need to do is we need to switch the printer on first. And to replace the ink, you need to open up this section. Okay, and you can see the ink. Okay, ink holder is set in a particular position where it's supposed to be. What you need to do, you need to press the holder down, press down, and remove the ink. Okay, so the colored one goes to the left and the black one goes to the right. Okay, 540 and 541. Now what we need to do is we need to open up this. I'm going to put up a link how you can order this. Okay, this is the ink cartridges. Now what we need to do is we need to open it up. Okay, so pull off. Now the next thing to do, you need to go in. Then once you go in, pull this up. Now the next is black color. Pull off, then go in, push it up, okay, and close it. Okay, so this is how to replace the ink cartridges. And if you want to check if this is working, you just need to stick the document you want to copy, for instance, okay, on top of the scanner. Then select the function that you want to do. Select the copy color or black. Okay, this is for you to copy black. There we go. So this is the document we copied black. Okay, if you want to copy the same document color, what you need to do, you need to press this color. There we go. So this is the document. We copied color and we copied this black. This is to show you that the ink cartridges is replaced correctly. Thank you very much, guys. This is how to replace the ink and print out document. Thank you.